In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Family Link from a Google account. If you've been using Family Link to manage a child's account and now it's no longer needed, or you simply want to turn it off, this walkthrough will guide you through the process step by step. We'll keep things simple and clear so you know exactly what to tap and what each option means. First, grab the device where Family Link is set up. This can be the child's Android device or the parent's device that's managing the account. Make sure the device is connected to the internet, because Google needs to sync your changes online for them to fully take effect. Next, open the Google Family Link app. If you don't see it on your home screen, check your app drawer, or use the search bar on your phone to look for Family Link. Once the app opens, you'll see the accounts that are currently being managed. Tap on the child's account you want to remove from Family Link. This opens that specific profile, where you can see things like screen time, app controls, and other settings. We're not changing those today. We're focusing on removing supervision altogether. Look for an option related to account settings or parental controls. In most versions of Family Link, you'll find a section like Controls, Account Info, or Manage Settings. Go into that area and then look for something that mentions Stop Supervision, Remove Supervision, or Delete Family Group for that account. When you tap to stop or remove supervision, Google will usually show a confirmation screen. Read this carefully. It will explain what happens when you remove Family Link. Typically, the child's account becomes a normal Google account. Existing data like emails, photos, and files stay with the account, but the parental controls and restrictions are removed. Confirm that you want to proceed. You may be asked to sign in with your password again to verify that you're the parent or guardian making this change. This is normal security behavior, so just follow the prompts on the screen until you see confirmation that supervision has been removed. Once you've completed these steps, it's a good idea to restart the child's device and sign in again to their Google account if needed. Then, check that things like app downloads and settings are working without Family Link controls. And that's it. You've successfully removed Family Link from a Google account, giving that account full independence from parental supervision.